How many times did I mention that we are not under the law? What I meant was about the law and the prophets, and, of course, in every step, has a corresponding Bible prescriptions. Now, there were a lot of them, telling us those truth I mentioned. The latest was telling us that the law and the prophets is up to John, according to Luke 16 verse 16 and in Matthew 11 verse 13. It doesn't stop there. What and how about us? Yea, the Bible assured you to be still, to relax, because there were laws that you must consider. No the law and the prophets, but the law of Christ.
This is what is known as the 1050 Christian commands. But it is not practical to say them all here, because of its tremendous number. But if you insist on them, see at the internet, search for the 1050 Christian commands, and you will find it there completely. Was there a Bible notes did mention those laws? Yes, of course. Let us read it here.
Galatians chapter 6 verse 2. Bear ye one another's burdens, and so fulfill the law of Christ. Mangagdalahan kayo ng mga pasanin ng isa't isa, at tuparin ninyong gayon ang kautusan ni Kristo. Furthermore, in the book of John, here we go, John 14:15. If ye love me, keep my commandments. Kung ako'y inyong iniibig, ay tutuparin ninyo ang aking mga utos. St. Paul mentioned that somebody has freed us. Where are we being freed? From the bondage, the yoke? Galatians chapter 5 verse 1. Stand fast therefore in the liberty wherewith Christ hath made us free, and be not entangled again with the yoke of bondage. Sa kalayaan ay pinalaya tayo ni Kristo. Magsitibay nga kayo, at huwag na kayong pasakop na muli sa pamatok ng pagkaalipin. Absolutely, He made us free by saying. John chapter 8 verses 32-36. And ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. At inyong makikilala ang katotohanan, at ang katotohanay magpapalaya sa inyo. If the Son therefore shall make you free, ye shall be free indeed. Kung palayain nga kayo ng anak, kayo'y magiging tunay na laya. Therefore, we are under the law of Christ, not Moses. Here it is, Galatians chapter 6 verse 2. Bear ye one another's burdens, and so fulfill the law of Christ. Mangagdalahan kayo ng mga pasanin ng isa't isa, at tuparin ninyong gayon ang kautusan ni Kristo.